I'm going to make a little bit of a different tong today, but I'm going to do this as simply as possible. You can see here that one piece is slightly longer than the other. Again, I'm making this tong as simply as possible, and I want to mimic this style here. It'll have flat jaws, but instead of being straight out, they'll bend downward. The main purpose for me making this tong today is because I want to make more steel boxes, and I want to be able to hold from the vertical sides of the boxes, but have the tong be horizontal while holding. I need to give a very big shout out to Stephen Boudreau for his recent very generous donation to the channel. I also need to recognize Danny for rejoining as a Patreon supporter. Thanks so much, fellas, for helping to keep the projects rolling. I've been working on a bunch more meat skewers for this bushcraft / camping company here in Taiwan. So to this point, I think you can see how I'm keeping this tongue pretty basic. So I now need to bend these jaws downward, so like I said, it'll hold a vertical side. The long jaw is probably just a little bit too long. No matter, I'll bend it and then I'll make some adjustments. Here I grind down that long jaw some to get them a bit more even. I'm sizing the jaws to hold 3/16 of an inch. I plan to make some boxes using that size material. There's maybe nothing perfect about this tong, but I think it should work really well. you can see here how I plan to use this style of Tong. You can see how this Tong differs from my bent knee style in that the jaws bend downward rather than off to a side. I'm not sure what I'll call this. Maybe just give it some crazy name. Got a lot more fooling around to do.